1968 Cadillac I bought after I looked at it in Flint, Michigan. It was 10 years old when I bought it. And the couple, they needed to sell it. And I've owned it ever since then. It's been a great car.
Okay, I'm Larry Hyde. I'm from Montrose, Michigan, and I'm at the Taymouth Presbyterian Church car show. And I brought a 1937 Ford Deluxe, and it's all original. Has even the mechanical brakes on it. It has a 85 horse flathead Ford V8 in it, 3-speed stick, and it's a 4-door with the suicide doors. And it came from Maryland. I found the car in Salisbury, Maryland, and had it brought home on a pickup truck and a 1-car trailer. But it's all original. It's even got the original clock in it, and the clock still works. But you just got to remember to wind it.
I'm Aaron Lyon. I'm out of Boyne City. This is my 2000 Volkswagen Beetle 1.9 TDI. It's got a 4-inch lift kit on it, big turbo, big injection pump, big injectors. It's a fun little sporty car, so just gets you where you got to go.
Hi, my name is Clifford Nanning. I'm from Bertrand, and this little jewel here I bought in 2005, and been slowly working on it. It's a 69 Nova. Originally it was a 6-cylinder car, and I kind of put a different motor in it and cloned it as a SS model. And everybody always asks me if it's a true SS, and I tell them no, but I wish it kind of was. Someday it might be one of these guys'.